Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Land Rover Discovery 3.0 D350 Gemini 4-wheel drive. Now this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Santorini Black. To start off with, then you have your LED headlights along with signature daytime running lights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 22-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels with a gloss black finish, really complementing the Santorini Black exterior colour. You also have side steps, which makes gaining entry into the vehicle even easier than before. Moving to the rear of the vehicle now, you can find your electric boot lid, and once open you can see that this car does in fact have a 7-seat configuration, allowing you to carry up to 2 extra passengers. And if those seats are down, you can see that you have a large amount of space where you could easily fit in a large size suitcase. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the light Oyster and Ebony leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away. Moving in through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan round again, you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This vehicle also has a sliding front sunroof, which is ideal for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin. The driver's seat is electronically adjustable, and as well as this, it is also a memory seat, so you can save that comfortable position. You also have the Meridian sound system, helping to enhance your listening experience on any journey that you may take. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so that you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go. You also have Android Auto and Apple Carplay, which allows you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music. Your 4x4 drive information, wade sensing, and of course your terrain response modes, making this vehicle suitable for most terrain and any off-road adventures you may be planning. Ensuring that you always stay safe and comfortable throughout. The front seats in this vehicle are heated, which is a luxury to have, especially on those colder days. And as well as this, you also have a 360 view camera, which makes manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. And it also has an off-road feature for those adventures that you may have. Your climate control is a dual zone climate control. We can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger travelling in the front with you, to ensure that you always travel at a comfortable temperature. This has been a presentation on a Land Rover Discovery 3.0 D350 Gemini 4-wheel drive that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.